Welcome po uli sa ating channel, Ellis Choice Carrera Tips, Sariling Giya. Feb 15, 2025, araw tayo ng Sabado. Meron tayong 7 1400 meter races at mag-uumpisa race number 1, alas 3 ng hapon. Umpisa natin race number 1, winner take all, 3-year-old group 6 race. Pampremera ko rito, uno, coming early with M&M Gonzalez. Panigundo ko naman yung 5 Dix Sky with Patty Dilemma. 1-5, race number 1. Race number 2, pick 6 naman to, class 5, 11 to 15 split. First choice ko naman po rito, number 6 is Laputing Bato with JT Pabilik. Second choice ko yung 11 My Dad Bogart with JR De Ocampo. Sa is 11, race number 2. Race number 3, pick 5 naman to, class 4, 28 to 33. Pampremera ko yung 2-1, The Kiss at Moon River with Patty Dilemma at EA Abrea. Second choice ko yung 8 American Paria with GL Shego Jr. Sasama ko yung 7 Full Combat Order with Danny Boy Camanero. 187. Race number 4, pick 4, class 5, 6 to 10 split. Dito naman, pampremera ko ang numero 2, Cool Mom with JB Bakaykay. Panigundo ko 1, Queensland with Patty Dilemma. Sama ko number 6, Caloocan Sap with JD King Flores. 216, race number 4. Race number 5 na tayo. Class 5, 11 to 15 split. Dito naman sosoloin ko si Alindog number 6 with Kelvin Abobo. Solo na ako number 6 for race number 5. Race number 6, penultimate race, class 4, 16 to 21 split. First choice ko rito, numero 8, Doña Chichay with Lester Jesus. Second choice ko yung 11 Ruby Bell with CB Garganta. 8-11, race number 6. At race number 7, huling karera natin, araw ng Sabado. Full gate to, class 5, 6 to 10 split. Pampremera ko numero 9, Aliana with M.E. De Ocampo. Laging nasisigundo lang to. Baka ngayon makatapos na. Panigundo ko numero 2, Wildcat with A.R. Ramos. 9-2, race number 7. Good luck po. Happy racing, God bless.